Hey guys, welcome to today's video. This is a sourcing vlog style video. We're gonna hit a Goodwill, maybe two, maybe three, who knows? We have quite a healthy budget today. I will be sourcing for myself as well as for my joint venture partner and looking for shoes to flip for him. So yeah, let's get out there. Let's buy everything that has any kind of profit attached to it. Super pumped about this. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to taking you along in the journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so first stop is done. Went to Goodwill. Was able to score one pair of these duck boots right here. They are, let's see if we can get a combo. I've sold a pair of these before in the past. They sell for like 25, 30 bucks, but I paid $3 on these. And then I got some books in here. I got some of these, I don't know what these are called, but they sell really well. I've sold a lot of them. And then I got this one real estate finance and investment book. This is a $40 profit book. I paid $1 for each book, $12 out the door, 12 or 13 bucks out the door. Really good, and walked away with, I don't know, like $70 of potential net profit. Super excited about that. And we're gonna move on to the next spot as soon as I load these up. Not sure how many spots I'm gonna be hitting today, but gonna keep going until the money is, well, there we go. Gonna keep going until the money's gone. So let's go to the next spot. All right, what's up, guys? Finished up in this store, and honestly, it was kind of weird. I was in there for a really long time. Shoe selection was really weak. I did get some shoes. It wasn't great. They were, a lot of their sneakers and things that they had were just junk that I didn't feel comfortable selling. I don't want to risk those returns, so I left them behind. I did find some other shoes outside of the sneaker realm that were good. Some duck boots, found some casual shoes, things that I know that can sell. They're good brands, they're good names, and those were in good condition. I feel like someone came through here already and scooped up the profitable shoes, but they left behind some of the brands that they were not familiar with. That were outside of that sneaker range. I did get some United States Navy uniform pieces, and that was really good. Some very solid profit. So I'm gonna head back home. The next time I jump on, I will show you guys all that we got here and kind of go over the entire haul for the day. Some good stuff. I think we walked away with a fair amount of profit. So I'm definitely not counting this as a loss. It's a win for sure. Just not exactly what I thought it would be. And that's kind of the way it goes sometimes. All right, sellers, we're back with all the stuff today that I got at the thrift store. And so we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna explain what I bought, and I will put comps right here in this video to show you what these items are selling for on eBay. I do sell on multiple platforms. I cross post. However, I am only showing the comps for eBay as it is the largest selling platform that I sell on outside of Amazon. These are not Amazon items. First item I paid $3 for, and I'm going to sell them for $18 to $20, which is not too bad for a flip. I got these kids Nike Hirachas. Show you those right there. Paid $3, also going for about $20 to $22 plus shipping. We've got these Sperry lanyard boys. These are going for about $25 to $30 plus shipping. We paid $5. Got these Tom's wedges right here. Ladies Tom's wedges. They are going for $30 to $35. Paid $5. And then got these, what are these called? These are brand new Sportos boots, patent leather, nylon, faux fur inside. Paid $5. They're brand new. Got them at Goodwill. And these are selling for $25 to $35, depending on the style of the shoe. Couldn't find this exact style. However, we did find this brand and similar shoes like it. Got this US Navy parka liner. Let me see if I can brighten this screen up just a touch. Got this US Navy parka liner for $8.99, and they're going for $35 to $40. Got this Columbia sportswear company, PFG, which is, I think, professional fishing gear, Omni Shade shirt. This is red, not orange. It looks a little orange in the camera, but this is red. Paid $4 for it, and they're going for $25 to $30 on eBay. Got this shirt for me, so that's mine. Got these U.S. Navy NWU, which is Navy working uniform, digital camouflage pants. I paid $5 for them, and they're going for $25. I've sold a lot of those, and they sell very quickly, very well. Got another pair right there, same size. I'm assuming from the same person. All right, next, we've got these duck boots by Redhead. This is the, Redhead is the Bass Pro brand. Bass Pro Shops and Cabela's brand Redhead. Duck boots. Soles are in good condition. They look nice. And paid $6 on these, I believe. Yes, $6. Excellent condition. And they are going for $40 to $45 on eBay. Got these Air Force Ones. These are pretty beat up. I'm going to use these as a project to clean up / restore, I guess. These laces are pretty shot. So might go and replace the lace. But other than that, the shoes are in pretty good condition. Just very dirty. Looking forward to cleaning those up. They have sort of this chameleon pink on the side, like iridescent pink. Kind of shimmers when you move it. Pretty nice. So got those for $5. And what else? One last thing. This was sort of the find of the day. I'm shocked that I got it at the price that I did. This is the U.S. Navy working uniform parka. These I paid, let's get this in there because you got to see it with your own eyes, $5.49. $6 for this. And they go for $70 to $80 on eBay every day of the week. Super pumped about this. As soon as I saw it, I knew I'd struck gold because I was in the Navy. And this is the one jacket that I never bought because I couldn't bring myself to spend $80 on a rain jacket. I guess sentimentally, I kind of want to keep it, but I want the money more. So that is what we've got today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it kind of opened your eyes to some stuff that you may be able to flip that you haven't looked at yet. If you live in an area where there are military installations, bases, camps, or airfields, make sure that you check out the thrift stores around there because you might find some good uniforms that you can flip. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you learned something. Hope you give it a like. And then if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you on the next video.